How to fix Bluetooth pairing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open settings, scroll down, click on connections. Now here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. After that, turn on or turn off power saving. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Here you will see power saving. And if you want to turn on power saving, then click on power saving. Now power saving will be turn on from your phone. And if you want to turn off power saving, then again click on power saving. After again click on power saving will be turned off from your phone. After that, on off Bluetooth, open settings, click on connections, click on Bluetooth, on off Bluetooth. After that, reset network settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth pairing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.